Hello there. My name is Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 with testing code 057 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of communications. If so, you are in the right place. I am actually here to walk you through a few sample test questions and other test taking strategies. Let's begin by having a look at problem number 1. Which of the following is an example of nonverbal communication that can significantly impact a business meeting? A, providing a detailed written report prior to the meeting. B, using a specific tone of voice in a presentation to emphasize key points. C, making consistent eye contact and maintaining an open posture while speaking. Or D, sending a follow-up email summarizing the meeting outcomes. So we want to make sure that we notate the most important key words in the question. And the one that jumps out the most to me is nonverbal communication. So we want to keep in mind this is anything where words are not used, where words are not being used, and how it might actually impact a business meeting. Making consistent eye contact and maintaining an open posture while speaking are definitely key elements of nonverbal communication that can significantly impact a business meeting. These nonverbal cues help convey confidence, attentiveness, and openness, which can positively influence how the speaker is perceived and how effectively their message is received. The other options, providing a written report, using tone of voice, and sending a follow-up email, are examples of verbal or written communication rather than nonverbal communication. Therefore, C, making consistent eye contact and maintaining an open posture while speaking, is the best answer for this question. When preparing a formal business report for distribution via email, which of the following practices ensures effective communication? A, including a brief and informal introduction to engage the reader. B, using complex jargon and technical terms to demonstrate expertise. C, attaching the report without an accompanying email or context. Or D, organizing the report with clear headings, bullet points, and a summary for easy navigation. So we want to keep in mind here, we're talking about a formal business report that's going to be given out via email. And we want to make sure that whatever we're doing definitely displays effective communication skills. So those are all keywords we want to think about as we're considering an answer choice. Well, organizing the report with clear headings, bullet points, and a summary are essential for effective communication in a formal business report distributed via email. This structure helps readers quickly locate key information and understand the report's content, improving readability and its efficiency. The other practices, using an informal introduction, complex jargon, or omitting context, can hinder the clarity and the professionalism, making it harder for the reader to grasp the report's main points. So the correct answer for this question is D, organizing the report with clear headings, bullet points, and a summary for easy navigation. Which of the following practices best demonstrates proper etiquette when using email for professional communication? A, including a clear, specific subject line and a formal greeting and closing. B, sending an email with a vague subject line to avoid disclosing too much information. C, using all capital letters to emphasize important points in the email. Or D, forwarding emails to colleagues without summarizing the content or providing context. So once again, let's revisit the question and make sure we fully understand what the question's asking. We want to know what best demonstrates proper etiquette when sending an email for professional communication. Including a clear, specific subject line and a formal greeting and closing demonstrates proper etiquette and professional email communication. This practice helps ensure that the email is easily identifiable, appropriately framed, and respectful, facilitating effective and professional interaction. The other options, vague subject lines, using all capital letters, and forwarding emails without context, do not adhere to best practices for clear and respectful communication. And these things can lead to misunderstandings or perceived unprofessionalism. Therefore, A, including a clear, specific subject line and a formal greeting and closing is the best answer for this question. Which of the following is a primary benefit of using an intranet for internal employee communications? A, it provides a platform for public marketing and advertising. B, it allows employees to access company information and updates quickly and securely. C, it facilitates direct communication with external clients and customers. Or D, it serves as a tool for tracking industry trends and competitor activities. Keywords within this question are, we're looking for the primary benefit of using the intranet for internal employee communication. Well, the primary benefit of using an intranet for internal employee communications is that it allows employees to access company information and updates quickly and securely. An intranet is designed specifically for internal use, and it provides a secure platform for sharing important company information, documents, and updates among employees. The other options, public marketing, direct communication with external clients, and tracking industry trends, are not the main functions of an intranet and are typically handled through other channels. Therefore, B, it allows employees to access company information and updates quickly and securely, is the best answer choice. Well, I sure do hope you found that video to be helpful and informative. If so, be sure to check out more videos on this channel. Please remember also to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our awesome videos and testing content. You can also get a lot of help by visiting our website at study.com. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who have used study.com in the past have a passing rate of 92%. And don't forget to tell us what you think and share your feedback about your experience. We're wishing you all the very best of luck on your test. Happy studying!